What's going on, guys? It's Eric again, back with another video. It's been a while since I've done a video here. It's just been so cold out here in Michigan. Today's a nice day. The wind has been kind of kicking up here the last couple of days. Just really not a whole lot kind of going on. I want to show you a couple things here. I'll show you some projects that we're going to get to now that it's warmed up and I can start making videos, because outside it was just a cold winter up here. Let me show you kind of what's going on. So right now I'm burning some boxes here. They're just about done here. I'm just kind of watching them. Make sure no ambers get out and kind of start a fire here, but they're well within the barrel right there, so we should be okay. Right up and over here, as you can see, as I said before, the deer have just made they have just ate the nettles off of these trees here, or these bushes. They've done it here. They've kind of done it all kind of along the line, the tree line back here. They've done it to these trees. They've done it to the tree down there. As you can see, the pine needles off there. If I come back around here, that's where the property line is. That tree there's gone. They have just destroyed these trees. Now, these blue spruces here, they really haven't done a whole lot to, but any other kind of green type of tree here with nettles on it, pines, they've just done a number to them. So we're looking at the back side of the house here. I'm going to take all this fencing down here. I think it's a 10 by 20. I didn't get any kind of measuring device out here to actually see what the square footage is on this, but it's right on here where dogs can come out, do their business, come right back inside. I'm going to break this down. One other thing is our beagle passed away, had a heart attack. Unfortunately, just passed away. He was old. He was 12 years old. Luke, I think you may have seen him in a couple of other videos. He's no longer with us. So, but this kind of, anyway, try to get off that sad subject. This fence will be coming down, and we'll do this all right here on YouTube. And this poor guy, which I have done nothing to. I should have done it when it was cold in the 10s and 15 degrees days. I should have came out here. That would have been a perfect time to take care of the tree, take care of all the saplings and the old branches that kind of got to get off here. I really have to get to this because all, as you can see on the outside here, all these, when they have a bunch of apples on it, just droops it all right to the ground. I'm surprised none of the branches have kind of taken off here. I'll try to get a little bit of a closer look here for you guys, but this thing has been, I'll admit, this thing has been through hell and back. And it's kind of stood strong here with the winds. The other two apple trees that I had on the back side here, they were gone in a bad windstorm. This one survived. But as you can tell, there's a lot of branches on here. I should have came out here, like I said, in January and took care of it, but never did. Same thing with this. The deer have just tore all this up kind of right down in through here. But I will say the deer have done an excellent job of kind of mowing it back and making it the top kind of all like this again. As you can tell, in previous videos, it was kind of coming down at an angle here because I can't trim a bush to save my life. But they have trimmed it. They have trimmed it back considerably. But we're going to wait and see if this kind of comes right back around. And my hydrangeas over here, I don't know kind of what to say here. I'm going to try to get them watered. Going to try to have them bring them back, get the soil back in, put some fertilizer down so we can get these hydrangeas back up. The last thing I'm going to show you is these patches right in here. I have done nothing with the patches here. Doing the sanding thing with the sanding blocks, I think is a good idea for small ones, but for as many as I've got here, there we go, as many as I've got here, I'm probably just going to get a sander and probably just power sand them and kind of make them all real nice. I may have to go over them a couple of times because my patch job isn't real good on some of these, so I'm probably going to have to sand it down, repatch it, and then come right back over it again. But that's what's going to be coming up for you guys here shortly. Like I said, it's getting warmer, so we're going to have to get all this stuff done, and because the house is getting old, needs some maintenance to it. Until next time, guys, deuces. Take care, guys.